Welcome back, everybody. Haven't posted a video in a long time. Better late than never, right? Holy moly. But in this video, we were installing GKTech bushings, solid GKTech bushings for my white OG S13 hatch. And holy moly, it made a big difference. So you guys lock in, enjoy, and watch me struggle taking these old 30-year-old bushings out. So you guys have a good one, enjoy, love you guys, bye. Mario over here, the hooded magician, popped out the one-piece drive shaft, and we're one step closer. Now my car is undrivable, and I don't think I'll be able to drive it home tonight, but so now it's time for brake calipers to come off, and subframe, or coilovers, and I think we're one step closer, and cables. E-brake cables, and it will be ready to come off. But yes, everything you need to take off is calipers, the 10mm bracket for the brake.
Bro, does this wrench only tighten?
Yeah, that one does. Is it a big one or a small one or a medium? Is it a Smith? Is it a middle or?
It's like a middle one there.
You know, like the pimple you can't pop it that hurt really bad?
It's like touching it and press the button, and I was like, oh, what
that's why I have slightly longer nails so I can like switch it.
you can switch that?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, we are so close to finishing it. E-brake cables are off, the brake calipers are off, the subframe or the coilovers are disconnected. Now it's time to just drop them. And 17mm bolt, and gonna pop it off, and the subframe is ready to drop. Let's get to it. So the subframe is ready to drop. It's literally like dropping as we speak. What are you doing?
I just made something come off.
Alright. So I could loosen a little bit, right? And then let it drop a little bit?
I just made the whole front come off already. I'm the goat. Oh, I see what's going on here. I'm gonna lift this side and it's gonna fall. You gotta jack it up with the jack a little more.
It's on the stud, ain't it?
Okay, come down now.
Well, even the stud is painted red. That means this thing's been out completely before. This thing's been a shell.
Yeah, that is weird that your studs are really nice.
No, studs are painted red. Was this a factory red car?
Yeah. That is insane.
Holy.
That shit
Yeah, that's cooked. That shit's
That
cooked.
shit look like they put it out of S14.
Look at this.
Slapped it right.
Look at
and
this.
didn't do anything to it, dude.
This S14?
Yeah, this is 14 something.
Bro.
Hey, we don't even gotta do anything. Look, this one too.
Bro, both of them.
That is insane.
Heck yeah.
Golly.
Oh my god, they're all like that.
Come on, please just come out too.
No, is it like
That
just
one.
a little bit of wiggle? And
Your shit was doing.
Yeah, with
all
one
these,
pry
bro.
bar
It
that's
was
out.
like- this thing was torquing.
I was literally getting active like rear steering, like the
Bro got high cast.
Yeah, he got hyped, man.
That's what it felt like. It felt like terrible. Now we're over here starting a campfire with all the guys.
Bro got nothing flammable except for WD-40, but I'll start using the starter fluid.
Get the bottom.
No, I got some brake cleaning somewhere over here. Holy.
That's paint? Oh my god.
Peel
That's paint, bro.
Oh!
Yeah, that shit almost traveled to me.
Oh, yeah, it's showing. Conservative playing.
Got all the cars out. That low-key kind of smells a lot better than the WD-40.
It's not as good of a chemical.
Oh,
Walk away for 1 second.
Hit with that brake cleaner right there.
go ahead, let her rip, Ziggy.
That shit feel good though.
This is so fun.
Golly!
Alright, bro.
Ah, not my seat. Of course, popping out with the big guns. These things are just like infinitely burning. I think that's it, right?
Yeah. That was plenty deep.
Holy moly, that's cooking the hell out of my
Let's see what the fuck it looks like. Dog, you need a hammer.
Nah, that's curling.
Yes, sir.
Well, everybody's leaving me. Zacher had left a little earlier ago. I finally got light over here, like a big old light bar. And we got the fronts out. We got the front bushings out. They look cooked. This one was that side right there, and it just broke in half. This is what it looked like after we got finished with it. So I already bashed that one in. This one's mangled all to hell, but I wasn't really trying to mess with the lip because we did botch the lip up a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one, and then I'm gonna go work on the rears. I'm gonna flip it over again and try to knock that out. And then after that, put it on a jack, try to put it back in and figure out all the goodies. And with that, I'll try to get this finished and sorted as soon as possible and update you on the progress. This is crazy though. This is crazy work. Never did I think I was gonna ever do this, but here I am. So now we gotta do the backs. Pop these back ones out, and I think it's gonna be fairly easy. So pop that one in, pop that one in, and now we're gonna cut these up and get these prepped to swap, and should be good to go. I didn't show taking the toe arms off because, well, on this side this is an 18 and this is a 17. On the other side it's an 18 and a 19. So don't know who put this thing together. Probably me, honestly, when I had no idea what I was doing. But yeah, now it's time to bash those bushings in. And this time I'm gonna try it with that piece of wood right there and see if it won't like bash the end of that. And I think it should work. It totally should. Let's go ahead and pop those suckers on and let's do it. Oh, that looks awesome. Perfect. Perfect. All of it's sitting. And that's how you put on some subframe bushings. Now the hard part is installing it. I don't really know what the game plan now is. It's just me. It's just me in the shop. Everybody left me. It's probably like 12 o'clock, maybe 11:30. So I'll give it a shot. I don't give up. And I gotta drive this thing home. I'm trying to go home and have a good old subframe. So let me flip this subframe over, put it on a jack, and try to do some magic. Try to make some magic happen. Alright, I'm back, and I didn't really film this part, but I ended up getting the subframe all the way up underneath the car with two jacks and just kind of finagling it. But now we ran into another issue. The issue now is the stud goes skinny, flared, and then all the way up to the frame rail. So now the solid subframe or bushing is stuck on the flared part. It is right here. This one's a little bit better, and the same thing's going on the outside. So it's a big issue because the subframe is not seated, and I can't thread it on and just kind of like rise it into place. So trusty mallet. I'm gonna try it with the trusty mallet. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna try to figure out any other way. I tried with the jack of just lifting it into place. It didn't really work out. It just lifts the whole car. So like, and that's not ideal because it doesn't slip in all the way. So mallet it is, and then I put the whole car together and try to make it home. And we'll see. We'll see if this works out. If it doesn't, I'll keep you updated. And I don't know. GKTech made it seem so easy on their YouTube video or on their YouTube channel. It is not. It is not. I guess they had the most pristine S13 out there, and that's not tweaked. That's not drifted or whatever. And yes, I am so dirty. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Let's bash the crap out of these subframe. Well, the mallet worked, and it went a couple inches, and enough to put a nut on. So I'm not gonna struggle. I got the air compressor in the shop. I got an impact. So I'm gonna try to this in real quick. So let's give it a shot. It's working so far. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness, it is getting colder by the minute, and right now it is super late. I went and grabbed a bite to eat, which took a while because I was cold, and it is currently 4 a.m. I have it tightened down. I forgot some washers. Apparently, I don't know where those washers go. I probably need to watch the GKTech video again, but I'm assuming they go underneath the nut. I think the nut is fine. I think the nut is totally fine. GKTech, if you watch my video, you could prove me wrong. Now I just gotta tighten the brake calipers, brake cables, drive shaft, tow arms, cables, and that's about it. Double, triple check, double tighten, triple check. Well, I'm gonna keep filming and working. I'll keep you updated on the progress. I'm trying to sleep, or no, I'm not trying to sleep. I'm falling asleep, so I'll keep you updated slowly but surely. I look like a mess. It's probably like 5:30 in the morning, and I basically finished everything up. Now that corner's finished. That corner's everything's bolted up. Tow arms are connected. Coilovers are connected. Brakes are connected. And now it's time for tires. Let's put the tires on, or the wheels per se. Fire it up, and let's go for a drive. I might not post it in this video. I might post it in the next video. But let's do it. Let's do it. I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting, long time coming. Now I got a solid subframe. It's no more higgy jiggy, whatever you would call it. So let's do this. Time to install. I totally forgot the exhaust. I gotta put the exhaust on. So I'm gonna try to knock this out tonight, tomorrow. Can't decide yet. I'll let you know. Well, I didn't record putting the exhaust on, but man, I'm just trying to get home It's 6 in the morning. I'm ready to go home. Honestly, thank you for watching. Put the exhaust on. Thank you for watching. Watching me struggling in the middle of the night and figuring all this out. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and you guys have a good day, morning, whatever it is. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.